Hi everyone, this is Todor from Carista, and I'm going to show you how to turn off or change the configuration of your seatbelt warning ding. In a lot of cars, especially in North America, the dings are very annoying because they turn on as soon as you turn on the ignition, um, and you may want to, I don't know, turn on the ignition, put on your sunglasses or something, and then put on your seatbelt, and the beep is just ridiculously annoying. So this car is a Euro spec 2019 Volkswagen Touareg, but the same setting applies to the Audi A4 and A5 B9 as well as the new Q5. This car is set to the North American ding right now. So as soon as I turn on the ignition, you hear this thing, and it's just super annoying. So what we can do with Carista is change a setting called, there's two settings in Carista on this. There's one called seatbelt warning, and there's another one called seatbelt warning type. The first one disables the system entirely, so you won't get a warning, and the lights on the dash will stay off. The second one changes the type of the warning between Euro spec and North American spec. The North American spec is the one that I just showed you. As soon as you turn on the ignition, it starts beeping. Whereas the Euro spec is the one that starts beeping if you start driving without a seatbelt on. And I tend to prefer that one, but it's personal preference. So here I can change. It's called version 1. Version 1 tends to be the European one, and version 2 is the North American one in this case. So you can just set it to version 1 and save. Get a few seconds to save. There we go. Now turning the ignition off. If I turn it back on, previously it was beeping immediately. Enjoy the silence. There's no beep. Of course, if you start driving without your seatbelt on, it will start beeping. In this configuration, you can disable that as well entirely if you change the seatbelt warning entire setting to disabled, or set the warning type to disabled as well. So those are options. It's up to you, and you're free to configure your car the way you like it. That's all from me. See you next time.